my name's Andrew Bayliss and I'm the workshop supervisor for Stanley Ferry workshops, and my job basically is to manage the actual workforce on the factory floor, ordering timber and ordering everything down to the last nut and bolt for the actual production of the lock gates. I've worked at Stanley Ferry for 23 years now. So I started on the factory floor as a joiner to begin with, and then I went up to team leader, and now I've worked myself up to workshop supervisor now. So we're one of the last remaining two workshops now, and we produce roughly about 100 sets of gates per year. It's a very unique joinery skills which you need to actually produce the lock gates themselves. To be honest with you, the actual manufacturing of the lock gates hasn't changed since I've been here for the past 23 years. It's still exactly manufactured exactly the same way. We've still got the same machinery as we had when I first arrived. So normally a top-end single gate, say on the Huddersfield or the Trenton Mersey, just over a week or so for one person to manufacture them gates. And then you can go up to the broader gates like the Leeds and Liverpool, the Grand Union, and they take around about a good 3 weeks for two guys to actually manufacture. Each lock gate is totally unique. There's so much variation for each individual canal in the network itself. There's no two gates the same. It's a unique site, is Bingley 5 Rise. I think them gates are roughly around about 7 odd metres high by 3.1 metres wide. Yeah, it's a unique site. It's absolutely fantastic up there. Same again, that gate took two guys just over 3 weeks to manufacture. This is the top of the workshop. This is where the actual timber comes into the workshop. The timber is about 15 mils bigger than we actually require. So as you can see on this side here, this machine here, this is our planing machine. It's one of the biggest in the country. This will take the actual timber down to the size we require for manufacturing. So at the moment we just started our new programme. As you can see in the workshop, it's not as busy as normal. This is one of the first sets of gates we've actually started this year. This is for the Huddersfield Narrow Canal. The oak is green, and the reason why that basically is, it means that it's got about 80% saturation with water, and it helps us machine it a lot better. It's a lot easier when it's green. If you leave it a while, after 3 or 4 months or something, it becomes a lot harder to work with. The lock gates go into the canal anyway, so it doesn't make a difference how much water's in the timber.